All in good time, patience and timing in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, all in good time. This phrase is not just about time, but also about patience and the natural order of things. So, let's unpack its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it such a beloved part of the English language. All in good time is a phrase that suggests that something will happen when the time is right, not necessarily immediately or according to our own schedule. It's often used to remind someone to be patient because things will unfold or be accomplished in due course. For example, if someone is eager to see the results of their hard work, you might say, all in good time. Your efforts will pay off, just be patient. The beauty of the phrase, all in good time, lies in its inherent encouragement of patience. It doesn't just tell someone to wait. It reassures them that the waiting has a purpose. It implies a trust in a larger, perhaps unseen, timing, that things will happen when they are meant to, not just when we want them to. For instance, telling a child all in good time, when they are eager to grow up fast, reassures them that each phase of life has its own value and that they should cherish the present while also looking forward to the future. The phrase can be used in various contexts, both formal and informal. In professional settings, it might be a way to temper expectations and remind colleagues of the necessary timeframes for quality results. In personal conversations, it serves as a comforting reminder that some things, like healing or personal growth, cannot be rushed. Consider the difference between saying, "It will happen eventually," which feels indefinite, and "all in good time," which carries a more positive and assured tone. In our fast-paced world, all in good time is a gentle reminder of the value of patience and trust in the natural flow of life. It reassures us that our desires or goals are acknowledged, but also places importance on the right timing for them to come to fruition. So, the next time you find yourself or someone else anxious for something to happen, just remember, all in good time. Thank you for joining today's journey into the depths of this beautiful phrase. May your learning path unfold, all in good time.